Go! What's up, guys? Today, if we make the most epic bashing video with this and nothing breaks, I will shave a front mohawk in my beard.
No, you will not.
Oh my gosh! Yeah! Woo! Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
I'm Nate's taking a nap. Popeye's battening down the hatches. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family, guys. Check out the awesome RC Sailor stickers on this DHK Maximus. This thing is a beast. It is very heavy. I would not look so skinny if we did trucks like this all the time. Just pumping this. Oh my gosh. Check it out. All this aluminum all over this puppy. We did a speed test with this truck on the included 2S batteries, ran in series to do 4S of power, 4 cells of power. And we promised you guys if you wanted to see a 6S speed run, we would do that for you. As it turns out, the ESC that is in this stock won't allow 6S of power to go through it. I had steering power, but that's it. So Abby and I—
The motor will,
yes,
but not the ESC.
So Abby and I have been on the market. We've actually got an ESC picked out for this. If we don't break it today, I promise I won't drive it again until we get the new ESC, and we'll do a 6S speed run on that. If I do break it, we'll buy parts to fix it too. So that is coming. But today, check it out. We are at our new stomping grounds. We've never done an actual bashing video here before. We did a crawling video here to test things out to see how, you know, see how everything ran. And now we're ready to do some bashing. So let's actually do this and get some air and have some fun. Unlike that, we're gonna go to the ramps. This is gonna be a good time. Nice. Here we go. Let's see if we can get some air on this. A little bit of air. We're gonna have to hit the bigger hills, aren't we?
Yes.
So this is new stomping grounds, new bashing grounds. We're gonna try to find the perfect hills while we're here. Let's hit some bigger hills. I had my throttle dual rate down there. Yeah, we're way faster now. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. That's a good ramp.
Oh.
Oh, came down right on that tire.
This is scary.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah. Woo! Abby's giving it all it's got here. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that's the downside to it.
I go get it.
That's a long walk. What we're realizing is this is made for BMX bikes, not for RC monster trucks. And it's just not getting the air that we want. We don't really have any ramps that are set up for this. Maybe we'll make a ramp. Maybe we'll make one while we're here. Ooh! Oh. Not a bad wheelie truck. Let me come to you, Abby. Oh! If you get the speed going, this is an okay hill. Yeah, that was good. I wish I had a little bit more lip at the edge of it. Here we go. This is pretty good this way. Hey, I saw you slam the brakes.
I got scared.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh. I got it coming. Oh! Abby says, she looks over at me, what if I hit it like this? And I don't even have the camera pointing at it. That was epic though. Yeah, okay, let's break the Maximus today. I need to shave. Actually, what'd I say? Huh? No, I said Maximus. I would never say X-Max. Oh, 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 you hit the tire. Oh my gosh, Abby. You cleared this and smacked into that tire. Oh, 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 you're such a cool truck. I really don't want to break you, but I think it's going to happen today. Oh! Oh! I gotta move. You're cartwheeling over all the tires. Wow. You did land on it. Oh! Wow. Okay, it's my turn. Okay, do one more. Oh my gosh! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Good job. I don't think I can beat that. Wow. If this truck comes home in one piece, I'll shave whatever you guys want in my beard.
I didn't break it, right?
No, so far.
I don't see anything loose or missing?
I mean, the body's taking a beating, but yeah, we'll take a closer look. But this is the hardest we have ever been on any truck, and I'm doing it because I think this truck can take it. The other DHK we've had, the zombie, is crazy. How far back were you when you were
about there?
Okay, here we go. Oh, I shouldn't have hit the brakes. That's okay, we're good, at least I landed. Oh man. This thing sounds awesome. It is awesome.
It's fun.
I can't believe how tough it is. I'd never do this with most of the trucks we own. Okay, I was like half throttle on that, so here we go. Oh! I landed it!
You went so high, I lost you.
I actually hit the throttle like I was supposed to and
yeah,
and
I did horrible at filming that. Sorry about that.
Wow, I love this truck. You didn't record the landing?
Oh, I got the landing, not so much the middle.
Oh, that was the best part. Okay, here. Oh, man.
On its feet. Oh, yeah.
Wow, guys. Wow. Start putting it in the comments. What is Nate gonna have to shave into his beard? Keep it family friendly. I better break something. Jeez, this is gonna get bad. Come on. Okay, now I'm gonna try to break something. I've never done this before. I'm kidding. Yeah!
Oh! I need to stand on the tires.
Man, go right ahead.
That's only slightly scary standing here.
Am I on my wheel?
Yeah, you're good.
Look at that! Look! It looks like someone took a sledgehammer and just crunched the top of that. Oh man. Almost as good as new. Oh, we landed on the tire.
I got really scared.
Yeah.
I can't film standing here. It's too scary. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
On that.
On that, yeah.
On that. Here, I think my gear just came on.
Yeah. That's what it sounds like.
Let's take a look, guys. Okay, let's see the damage. We have never been this hard on a vehicle ever. And when we are, we'll take the time to fix them. Always. Always. So, let's see. What did I mess up? Yeah, it's just my main gear is just misaligned. So all I have to do is take this apart, a couple hex screws. You guys can see right here. If you have any advice for me, let me know in the comments. My motor is rolling, but
hold on.
you guys see, my motor's spinning and I'm just not getting any, I think it just came misaligned. So if you have any advice in the comments, let me have it, because you never know, maybe you know a little bit more than me.
Does that mean you don't have to shave anything into your beard?
Nothing funny. I might be shaving it soon though. It's getting pretty hot. It is. It's like 95. It's really hot. I feel like we're in the desert out here. This is an amazing truck. So durable. Guys, that is crazy tough. we'll definitely have it back on the channel again and upgraded with a new ESC so we can put 6S in it to do a speed test, and then we'll be back to do more bashing. This is amazing. One of my favorite monster trucks. This is so much fun. We'll have a link in the description box below if you want to learn more about it. And more importantly, if you enjoy our videos and you want to support us, the best way to do that is to buy yourself some RC stickers linked in our Patreon page. It's simple. It's a good way to support us, and we're going to give you some cool stickers for your RCs in the process. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye! That didn't sound right. Bye!
Okay, we're back up here at the airfield, ending the video. This was an easy fix, guys. I just had to do a follow-up. I had a guess when we were out there, but it was just so hot. The motor just shifted over this way because they have these screws in the bottom here, these 4 with the silver rings around them. You can adjust the position of the motor, and so they do that on purpose. I might put a little Loctite on there and get it aligned perfectly, but everything runs just fine now. Let's see here. See if I can do this with one hand. Abby's over there playing with Amelia. So, see, we're back. So, sorry, kiddo. Everything's good. Back and running. Don't even have to buy any parts. So, we're gonna get that upgraded ESC and do a 6S speed run on this as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Again?
Uh-huh.
Bye.